Hi, I'm here to introduce the course Developing an Information Architecture with Card Sorting. My name is Joji Mori and I'm a user experience consultant working with U1. U1 is a user experience consultancy based in Melbourne, Australia. We have a large number of clients including government and large corporates. Many of these clients have content-heavy websites with a lot of information. They come to us because they have a problem with users struggling to find what they're looking for using their sites. And we constantly refer back to this technique called card sorting to help them make their sites easier to navigate. And that's what this course is all about. So what is card sorting? It's a user-centered technique for organizing information. It informs you in creating an intuitive information architecture and therefore an easier website to navigate. In this course, we're going to show you the entire process, from creating the cards, having participants sort them, all the way through to analysing the data, then reporting it back to your stakeholders. We're also going to give you a lot of resources that you can download. From this, you'll be able to run a card sorting activity yourself as soon as you've gone through each lecture of the course. So what's the problem you're trying to solve with card sorting? Basically, you might hear comments from your customers or your users of the site. So I don't know how to find anything on your site. Or even, it'd be quicker just to call to find out what I'm looking for that way. So what is an information architecture, or IA as it's often abbreviated? It's how information is labelled, structured and grouped. Now on a website, there are a number of different ways this can be done. Here it is, laid out in alphabetical order. But other sites organise information in other ways. So on Amazon, all the digital downloads are in one area, and product types are categorised into their own respective sections. For a bank, you might list it in terms of small business, corporates, and then list the products that are related to each in their respective sections. Now to achieve the type of IA that you want, card sorting is the technique that will help you get that. Card sorting is actually quite simple. Small cards are laid on a table like this. Each card might represent a page or a piece of content on your site. You'll have participants who represent your target audience come and sort these cards, grouping the cards into categories and labelling each group with a heading. These headings are a great way to find out the language that makes most sense for your users. You can also do this exercise online. So this is using the website Optimal Sort. On the left, you can see the cards. You can drag those cards into the different groups on the right and even rename the headings for the groups as per how you did with the physical cards. And there are all these wonderful tools that will help you analyse the data. They look scary to begin with, but they're actually really useful once you get into them. And once the analysis is complete, that will result in your IA with your end users making comments like this, being able to find what they're looking for. So now you've got a basic idea of what a card sort is, what it can do for you. Here are the details of the rest of this course. Firstly, how to determine the cards for a card sort, and we'll give you some useful resources to help you do this. Getting your participants. How do you find the right participants for your card sort? Facilitating a card sort. Online card sorting. So in addition to that face-to-face card sorting, doing it online. Analysis and reporting. How to analyse the data from the card sorts and reporting the findings back to your stakeholders. Now importantly throughout the course, you'll be directed to downloads that will help make your job much easier. You will literally be able to start running your own card sorting project after completing the lectures. So that's given you a taste of card sorting, highlighting what it can do for you and giving you an idea of what it looks like. Why don't we get straight into the next lecture now, which is determining the cards.